Hello everyone, in today's recipe we are going to learn how to make brown butter chocolate chips cookies. Very easy to put together. Just follow all the ingredients and the step. You are going to get a perfect soft chewy cookies recipe. First of all, you are going to melt your butter, but just keep on stirring. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes, and once it's in this look, just bring it down and let it cool. After a couple of minutes, pour it into a mixing bowl. So this is how it's supposed to look. Add some brown sugar, then some white sugar. Stir everything until it looks like this. A quick tip, please do not use the hot melted butter. Let it cool down. Go ahead and add some egg. Room temperature is fine. Then I'm using vanilla extract just to give it a flavor. Whisk everything until you get this texture. So let's prepare our cookies mix. You're going to need flour and some baking soda. Go ahead and add some salt just to give it extra flavor. Mix everything thoroughly. Then go ahead and add your cookies mix into your wet ingredients and combine everything thoroughly. This cookie recipe is actually very easy to put together. It's very fast, it doesn't take too much time, and you're going to enjoy all the process. Add your medium sweet chocolate chips into your ingredients and combine until everything is well combined. You can also use the bar chocolates, but I'm using the chocolate chips, the medium sweet chocolate chips for this. Scoop your cookies dough into the size you want. I'm using ice cream scoop to scoop this. You can, after scooping it, you can decide to put it in the refrigerator for some hours, but I'm so much in hurry to eat this chocolate chips, so I'm not going to put it in the refrigerator. So I'll just go ahead and bake immediately. So add extra chocolate chips into it. If you want extra chocolate on it, add extra. So I'm going to be adding extra into it. Then I'm going to transfer this into the oven and bake for 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. 12 minutes is perfect for all my cookies, and it's also going to come out just like this. It's going to be so amazing. You're going to like all the taste. Everything is perfect. The ingredients is perfect. Will you be trying this my chocolate chips recipe? Please let me know in the comment section. And please do not forget to share this recipe. If you have questions, leave it in the comment section. I'm open to answer any of your questions. And I hope you enjoy this chocolate chips recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay safe and do not forget to follow me for more videos.